Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, App Tutorial. Today, in this video, let's learn about if we can refund tip on OnlyFans. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OnlyFans and let's get into it. Now, if we scroll down here in different posts, we can see this send tip option, and by clicking on this, we can send tips to different creators from here. And if we go to settings by clicking on profile icon, we can see there is no such option for getting refund of OnlyFans tip. So if we actually did it by mistake and we want it refunded, we can try on help and support, and we need to scroll down and click on take me to support and click on create ticket. Here we need to write our problem. So once you write your problem, you can simply click on create ticket option over here. You can attach the screenshots of your problem as well. Once you are done, you can click on create ticket and your problem will be sent to help and support. And if it is possible, you'll get the refund. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.